I want to do a video about problems with the Tru Bolt Sydney entry knob. This is Sydney entry knob. Now the problem comes with the installation. It is a very easy installation, but once both parts are installed, the outside with your buttons and the inside lock is installed, that's when the problem begins. So the problem starts when you use this cord connected to the inside and the batteries are installed. What happens is when you put these together and you fit them in together, this particular lock will not move. This button dial will not. It'll move freely right now when it's not connected, but when charged with batteries and all the cables are connected and you put it together like this, it freezes. And there's a simple solution to it, and it doesn't say it in the owner's manual, and I couldn't find any other place that would fix it. It is not a design defect. What you need to do is pull it apart, yet while the cable is still connected, pull it apart and punch in the code to unlock and press unlock. Then punch in the code, then just punch in for lock and let it lock. And then try putting it back together and see if it will cycle then, and see if this button will then turn properly like it should. That is the solution to it. I called the factory. They couldn't give me an answer. This would freeze up every time I put it together. But when I did the cycling of on, lock, and unlock, while the electrical cable is connected, but not while these two are together, I was able to make it work just fine. There wasn't any real factory defect. You simply had to clear the system. Like and subscribe. Thank you.